Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a crossword puzzle in Canva. It will be really simple and easy. So whether you are creating it for fun, education or a special project, this guide will help you design a great looking puzzle in just a few minutes. First of all, open the Canva on your browser. In the search bar, type crossword puzzle and hit enter. This will bring up a variety of design options to choose from. Next, browse through the available templates. Once you find one that suits your style, click on Customize this template to start editing. Now you are on the editing panel. Here you can modify the puzzle grid, change the text, adjust the colors, and add your own clues. Make it unique and tailored to your needs. You can also use canvas elements, fonts, and background to enhance your puzzle design. Once you are happy with your crossword puzzle, click on the share button in the top right of the screen. Now click on download. Select the file type that best suits your needs. Whether it's a PNG, PDF, JPG, then click on this download again and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make crossword puzzle in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.